Today we are making tahini molasses cookies with some nice sesame seeds on top. They really melt in your mouth, you should give it a try. You'll need 450 gram flour, 250 gram butter or margarine at room temperature, 200 gram tahini, also known as sesame paste, 80 gram of grape molasses, 180 gram sugar, 1 egg separated, 1 package of baking powder, 1 package of vanilla sugar or just a bit vanilla extract, 90 gram ground nuts of your choice. We used hazelnuts, but walnuts or almonds would work just as great. As usual, a pinch of salt and sesame seeds on top. I love these kinds of cookies as they are really easy to make. You toss in your pinch of salt, sugar, nuts, egg yolk, molasses, vanilla sugar, baking powder, butter and tahini into the flour and just knead it thoroughly. I could have just sat to toss all the ingredients inside from the egg whites and sesame seeds, but well, that's just me. When you have kneaded this long enough, you should be able to form some small balls. If the dough, for whatever reason, is still too soft, just add another spoonful of flour. And if the dough is too hard, just add a bit of vegetable oil. Just be careful not to pour too much. Now you can whisk the egg white a bit and start forming your cookies. I like mine the size of walnuts. If you make them about that size, this dough will yield about 40 to 45 cookies. After we have formed the cookies, I spread them with a bit of egg white and sprinkled the sesame seeds over them. You can dunk the cookies directly into the sesame, but then it just sticks too much, which I don't want to have here. When that's done, kick these little suckers into the oven for about 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. My oven was cold when I put them in, so it took a bit longer. And again, know your oven. If it seems like the cookies are done, get them out. Don't let them go unsupervised. Well, after these have cooled off, you can enjoy them with a good cup of tea or coffee, it's really up to you. By the way, we'd love to see if you have made this or any of our other recipes. Tag us on Twitter or just send us an email. As usual, you can find the recipe in the description below. If you like this cookie recipe, you might like these cookies too. Check them out. Please drop a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on our weekly videos.